Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back. All right, so today we have some more entries into the mini pocket letter swap and raffle. So let's get right to it. I have 4. I'm going to try and get all 4 of them in this video for you. So the first one I have here comes from Bridget Murphy. And Bridget is on Instagram. So she said, I love the envelopes you guys are using for cards. It's so crazy. This actually... it's pretty cool. It almost looks like an envelope chopped in half and then used as 2 envelopes. And then there's a cute card with the butterfly that says hello. And then her postage and then her information in here. So that is great. I can actually put this in with my Memdex cards. Okay, so let's get a mess. All right, guys, so let's see what Bridget has sent. So she put them in this cool, looks like she did some coloring on this paper. Like she made this paper herself. Pretty cool, right? Maybe the washi tape too. I like it. And I like the stamp there. So cute. All right. So she sent 2 pocket letters. Now, Bridget did say that one was for me. And there was a little, I guess, misunderstanding. And it could be my fault because I know on Instagram, I think I might have put send between 1 and 3 and get that many back, and then I changed it to 3 and 3. So whatever, you guys send 1, you'll get 1 back. You send 2, you get 2 back. We'll just do it that way. Okay, so it's no you know, if anything, if you don't send the 3, it's okay. All right, so look at how cute these are. I love the, oh, what is that? It reminds me of one of those gorgeous girls. Look at the flowers in her hand. Oh, these are very artistically created, these cards. Yeah, they're all painted and so pretty. So pretty. I love the, not photos, but, you know, the images that are on each one. The little space tapey side here. And then on the back, we do have our tea bag, and this one we have pomegranate green tea. See what I mean, guys? So much fun with the tea bags. And then we have a little packet here of shoes, tea bags. I can see. Let's just open it up real quick because it almost looks like they're made out of plastic. So yeah, like a sequins material. Really cool. Not sure how she made those or if those were something that were bought. And then in the other pocket we have some bling, some clear bling and some blue bling. Very nice. Thank you, Bridget. Our next entry is from Tammy Johnson, and Tammy enclosed a card, and it smells good, guys. I think some of you put some smelly stuff in your mail, which I'm fine with. I'm always afraid to do that because there's always somebody who can't, either is allergic or the smell just really bothers them. So I try not to do that. But me, smell it up. I'm good. Okay, so she said she did send, oops, a little bow popping off. She said she did send 3 for the swap and then 1 for me. Okay, so I am definitely saving this tissue paper. I always save any tissue paper you guys send me. And here is Tammy's entry. This one here, the little bow came off, so I'm going to look through that one and keep that one for myself. And then these will go into the entries. So let's take a look. Look at the, oh, I like this paper. It's very vintage, but then it has some old, like the typewriter, the books, just like old-timey. I love old-timey stuff. And then the pretty purple butterflies that actually look real. I would never think to put a butterfly or like a purple with that with those cutouts. And then on the back we have some goodies. So she included some sequins mix here. Here's a butterfly. Did that fall off of something? Or maybe that's supposed to be over here. I'm not sure. Or maybe it's supposed to stay there, and it will. And then we have her tea bag, which is an Earl. Is that Earl? Whoop, come on. Yep, Earl Grey, black tea. And then in here we have a strip of bling. And then some cutouts. Are these butterflies? Yep, look at all these. Oh, pretty. Oh, and look at with like the book paper, and then you can like layer it with the book paper and the butterfly. That's really nice. I like that look, and that's actually what Tammy did right here. Guys, also I'm noticing a few coming in now where you're not putting your name on there, which no worries, I will do that. But just if you have not entered yet, make sure you put something on or in the pocket letter just so everybody knows who created it. Okay, thank you, Tammy. Our next entry is from Patricia, and Patricia sent these embellishments here as a hostess thank you gift. First off, I want to say thank you for thinking of me. That was not necessary, but I am so curious about this paper here, this acetate that she used. Look at, so it's silver dots on one side, gold dots on the other side. What an ingenious idea. And then look at how cute these are, these little bunny butts. Little bunny butts on the rosettes. Patricia, thank you so much. And her cute little bag topper here. Hello, spring. Okay, and then Patricia's little pocket letters are packaged up like this. So pretty. I am going to open one of them up. And you know, it's funny. I am working on a pocket letter and I am using this collection. So funny. I love it. Oh, look how cute. Cute. This will give me some ideas. She has some like fabric trim down here. Fabric leaves on the side. Just some bling and some cutouts. Here she has her tea bag. Berry antioxidant. And then a sequins mix. And then some bling, like rainbow bling. So pretty, Patricia. Thank you for these entries. And guys, I may also be sending them flat. So if you do receive Patricia's one of Patricia's pocket letters back, I'll include the twine. Okay. All right. Thank you, Patricia. And Patricia did also send this beautiful card. I love the colors, and I can definitely, she left it blank on the inside with just a Post-it note. So I can definitely, oh no, she didn't. Oh, Patricia. Silly girl. All right. Well, I can't re-gift it, but I love it. And I'm probably just going to display it in my room because I do love the colors. Thank you. Okay. The last entry for the day. This comes from Maria. And let's see what Maria has sent. Cute bag. Christmas bag. And so Maria has sent a little note here. Oh, look, you have received a tag swap wish rack prize. How cute is that? Please post once received. Enjoy. Oh, I like that. And then you just send it and then, I like it. Okay. So this looks like a little goodie bag, some honey, some peppermint tea, and some, what do you call it? A cough drop, 2 cough drops. Oh, and this is like for us to feel good. This is feel good stuff, guys. I know it. And then she has a card here that she included. And then here is her entry. So let's see if we can open this up without making too much damage to the pocket letter. All right. So guys, look how beautiful this is. So here we have again, Maria sent one, so Maria's going to get one back. But look at this tassel here with the bow and all the different ribbons and trims. Beautiful. And then a little bead tassel down the front. Oh, look at the heart there. Can you guys see that? Let me hold that closer up. So pretty. Oh, excuse my nails. I only got one hand done, and that was like a day ago, and this polish is already coming off. So it's a lost cause even doing my nails. Okay, so here is her pocket letter. Super cute, great spring colors. And then on the back, she has it stuffed full of goodies. So it looks like some glitter, some stickers, altered paper clip. That's really pretty. I like that. Like a little banner. And then this looks like maybe some sticky notes. Very nice, Maria. And then some, ooh, look at like some teal gemstones, and some ribbon pieces. And then some more tags, another paper clip, and then a little tiny spool of twine down there. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Maria, great, great entry, hon. All right, guys, so those are the entries for today. And we'll see what comes through next. Thank you, everybody, for playing along. And don't forget, if you would like to enter, there's plenty of time. And I will see you in the next video.